Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2004 Audi S4. It's a pretty nice little car. Got 79,000 miles on it. Bright red, stick shift, got leather, got a sunroof. Tires are in pretty good shape on it. We just took it on trade. We haven't even cleaned it yet. So there, kind of look at that. That's the left front tire. Does not smell like smoke inside. It's a pretty decent car. A little scratch here, there. I'll show you one that I've seen. I mean, it's certainly easy to touch up. Got one little spot right there. That's the right front fender. Let me show the rest. Famous Audi V8, 4.2 liter. It's a nice car. Call me on this one. Look at the inside of the rear. Of course, it's leather, of course. Here's the driver's door. Power windows, power door locks. Got memory seats on it, of course. Audi A4 sport seat, power, standard equipment. $79,738. Of course, it's got a sunroof in it. Got a cassette player, audio controls, got heated seats. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.